What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel, Honor Your Temple. My name is Jonathan. In this video, I'm gonna take you guys through a push workout routine. Push workouts are gonna be hitting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. So I'm gonna walk you guys through an excellent routine, especially for you guys that are really looking to, really build lean muscle and strength. This routine is specifically for you, so let's jump into it.
All right, so to start this workout out, we're gonna begin with foam rolling. We're gonna start with the upper back first. We're gonna hit our lats. We're gonna also hit our upper chest, and we're gonna also hit our triceps. Foam rolling is a great way to kind of loosen up the fascia and tissue around the muscles that we're gonna be hitting so we don't get injured and we can move with a greater range of motion as we go through this workout and we're building our chest and shoulders and triceps. All right, so first up, we got these alternating dumbbell presses, and we're gonna go 5 sets on here. We're gonna go for about 10 to 15 reps on here. Just a good way as our first exercise, as we foam rolled and starting to get loose. Now we want to focus on really getting a lot of blood flow pumped into the chest, and this is a good little like first starter exercise to really get that blood flow popping and get our chest really activated. Because we're able to move these dumbbells in a unilateral plane of motion, we can really focus on contractions on these alternating dumbbell presses. So I really want you guys to focus on really squeezing at the top of each rep, getting that chest to really activate, getting the mind to muscle connection to really, get activated for the chest and get it popping. Our triceps and everything as well are going to be very much so activated and used as we're pressing these dumbbells. So that's a good way to kind of get our initial pushing muscles activated and ready to go. We're just going to stick with these alternating presses, again going for about 5 sets for 10 to 15 reps on here. All right, next we have our dumbbell incline presses, and we're going to go 4 sets on here, but these first 3 sets we're going to focus on reps of about 10 to 12 on here. We're going to keep it moderately heavy, again just pumping it out, keeping the blood flow really flowing to our chest, really get it to pop and start breaking down those fibers. But on this 4th set on these incline dumbbell presses, we're going to perform a drop set. So after you get done with the first 3 sets of pumping it out, going between 8 to 12 reps, we're going to make sure we increase the reps on these first 3 sets also. So start light, then increase it again to where you can go another good 10 to 12, and increase it again where you're going to stop for about 8 to 12 reps, and then you'll jump into this drop set. So once we start this drop set, okay, we're going to start heavy. We want to see if we can get 4 to 5 reps. So choose a weight that's the heaviest you can pump out a good 4 to 5 reps in. Once you get done with that, okay, we want to drop it down again. I say drop it down about 20 to 25 pounds. Once you drop it down 20 to 25 pounds, we want to perform a solid 6 to 8 reps on here. I like the 6 reps though, so if we can keep it at a good weight to where after we finish that first initial drop set of 4 to 5, then we'll drop it down and we'll do 6. Okay, then once we finish now with this 6 rep set, we're going to finish it out. We're going to drop down another 10 or 15 pounds, and we're just going to crank these out till failure. I want to try to get to at least 10, but if it's about 8 or 7 or 6, that doesn't matter to me. We're just going to really go till failure here to knock that muscle out. All right, now we have high-low cable flies, and high-low cable flies, we're going to really isolate the chest with these. So we've been doing compound movements to start it out, as we started out very fresh with our dumbbell presses. Now that I know the chest is going to be a little tired, I want to really put the emphasis on it and just really putting isolating contractions on it to really develop it and build it. So we're going to go about 3 to 5 sets on here. I want you guys to shoot for 20 reps on here. So keeping it light. We don't have to go too heavy because we've gone pretty heavy on the pressing so far. So here we're just going to focus on really isolating and really tiring that chest muscle down, really to break it down so we can get it to grow and develop. On that final 20 rep, I want you guys to give a good 5 to 10 second isolation hold as well. We're going to really focus on time under tension through these reps on here to really get that muscle to break down and develop. Again, I want you guys to keep your chest up, your core tight as you're flying. And I really want you guys to bring it as far low and out as possible. This will give you the best chest contractions. Next, we got standing dumbbell presses. We're going to start really hitting the shoulders now. So the first part of this workout has been really chest focused. Now we're going to start really hitting the shoulders out with these standing dumbbell presses, and we're going to really rep these out as well. So I want you guys to get We're gonna go 5 sets here. The first couple, 3 to 4 sets, we're really just gonna be some warm-up sets. Give you a good 20 to 15 reps on the first 2. We're gonna continually increase the weight as well. So very light on the first set, go for about 20 reps. The second set here, again, increase it, but still keep it light, go for about 12 to 15. Third set, increase it, and the fourth set, increase it, keeping your reps at around 10 to 12 reps just to get the shoulders nice and warmed up and ready to go. And then once we get to this 5th set, we want to do a very, very heavy drop set. We want to really go till failure on this 5th set, really trying to get the muscle activated and broken down till failure so we can really keep the training intensity high. So as we get to the drop set, but again, make sure we're keeping the initial 4 sets very, very moderate. Don't want to get too heavy, but just enough to really get it going. So as we're starting the drop set, we're going to go heavy. Again, a good 4 to 5 reps the max on your heaviest for these drop sets. We're going to drop again about 20 pounds. I want you guys to do another about 6 reps on here. So I want you guys to really pump this out, get some good reps. You're going to be pretty tired. Once you finish that, we're going to lower that weight again. And now we're pumping it out for about 10 reps on here. So we're going to really continue to pump that out. We're going to be up to about 20 reps. Once you've gotten to this point in the drop set, then we're going to finish out with another 10 to 15, drop it down another 5 to 10 pounds, and go from there. Go until absolute failure, really pumping these shoulders out. You're going to feel every bit of your shoulders when you're done with that. Once we finish, now we're going to get right into these dumbbell flies. And on these dumbbell flies, you see me kind of going behind my back on these. I like that behind the back motion. It just gives you a better range of motion with the dumbbells, and as you fly up, you're going to really feel the lateral delts here, and that's what we're really trying to hit as we're going through, these next ones. We've hit our whole shoulders with the presses, but now we're really going to start isolating the lateral shoulders as we're bumping these out. We want to keep these light because we've really getting tired of these shoulders out, so we're just going to go with some good isolation work, about 3 to 5 sets of 15 reps on here. All right, and to finish it out now, we're just going to do a little superset here. So we're going to go from these high face pulls, we're going to hit the back shoulders now, and we're going to also really isolate the triceps as well. So we're going to superset these face pulls with these overhead tricep extensions. This is going to be a great way to kind of finish this push workout out. We put so much front focus, so just a little isolation work on the back shoulders, as well as make sure we're going to touch the triceps up a little bit. Nice little superset to finish it out. I'm going to go 5 reps of about 15 to 20 reps on each of these. Once you finish this out, everything is going to feel destroyed. You're going to feel like you've really had one of the best push workouts of your life, and you're going to be feeling like you came to the gym and you accomplished what you needed to accomplish for sure to end this thing out.
All right, guys, that's going to be this push workout, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that routine. Try it out, man. Let me know how you guys like it and how you guys feel while doing it. Any comments, questions below, man, definitely would love to connect more with you guys. So leave all that in the comments so I can. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification as well. Honor Your Temple. It's all about helping you guys make the most out of this one life and one body that you have. I always believe that we get, just one body in this time that we have here, and making it as healthy and as fit as possible, as long as, developing your relationship with yourself first and your faith in God to be able to really take you to wherever you want to go in life. That's what Honor Your Temple is about, and basing that on health, fitness, and your faith I believe is going to give you guys the most out of this life. So if you guys rock with that, you guys want to connect with this community, definitely be sure to subscribe. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll see you in the next one.
And if you guys head to the description as well, you guys are going to see the full rundown of this workout in writing, as well as I'm going to give you guys some extra form tips for each exercise performed in this workout. So for any of you guys that want to make sure we're hitting these, exercises properly and with good form, I'm going to have all those form tips and things in the description for you guys below.